And you want us to, you treat me as what, because I'm a child, or probably I'm poor, or probably I am not in the same level or caliber as you, that I cannot speak up, and you're saying that it's about freedom of speech? What? You're only entitled to that, and we are not? I honestly appreciate everybody who are saying that, you know, hindi ka nag-iisa, we support you, blah, blah, blah. As much as possible, I don't want you guys to be involved because I can definitely carry myself and handle myself. Yun naman po talaga ang totoo. I am not ashamed of who I am. I am not afraid of what I'm fighting for. I am not easily intimidated talaga. Ganyan lang po talaga ako. I did not come to Europe to be easily intimidated. Nga naman na ba siya, Aldo? I honestly don't know why people would bash him. So, this is the Hoogkaterijne or the Mall of Utrecht. So, ang dami po talaga dito ang mga tao ngayon because today is a weekend. And today is actually a time and celebration of Utrecht. Tina, hindi ka nag-iisa kasi dala, bakit? Yeah. You can target me all you want, but if you're going to target me, I am not showing my character, you know? I remain very focused. I remain grounded to the objectives and the principles I anchored myself with since the very beginning. Again, I reiterate that I am nothing but an ordinary Filipino trying to exercise my being Filipino, my right to support and to defend a Filipino, much more a former president, to the persecution that he's definitely going through right now. So nobody can dictate me how or what way is much more effective over the other. Because remember, there's so many ways to open a can of tuna. So please refrain from telling me what to do. I know very well what am I doing. Loya po ni Aldo ilaban na, yeah, actually wako na loy ni Aldo, kaya niya yan. But he told me that he's not gonna respond to something that's very petty or shallow or not worth it. He told me lang ha, because I told him, why don't you answer that? He told me, no, I'm not gonna do it. It's very cheap. Yun pa kayong word niya. It's very cheap of an issue for me to address, because he told me as well that it's not his fault if you don't have the proper comprehension skills or the reading skills to really understood or understand what it is that he wrote. Yun yung sabi niya ha, hindi yun sabi ko, because I really confronted him. Oh, by the way, meron ng mga naratibong ganito ganyan. And he said, no, I'm not gonna address it. But you need to address that, because if a narrative is being put wide open for public to consume, and if you're not going to address that, that will become the controlling narrative. And he said like, yeah, yeah. It's very cheap of an issue to I like the word, you know what? I learned to like the word petty. Because that word, I just realized that is very powerful. That even when people, they're not supposed to be the one receiving or understanding that freaking word, how it is utilized, they felt alluded to. So I also told Aldo, let's reassess and let's just focus on PRRD. Let us not cater other, the external noises that tries to put pressure on us. Because to myself, that's like waste of our time. Especially those other people who are trying to be relevant, talking about me. I don't even know who you are, and you're asking me to address an issue. where I'm not even the one involved or whatnot. You just want me to make a comment on something that I find petty or perhaps shallow. You're questioning my integrity. You don't even know me. I don't even know you. Did I even try to address you or like, you know, talk about you or utter your name? Even how Android you look like? No. So don't try to cross the bridge when you're not supposed to cross that freaking bridge. Look after yourself. I am just focusing my efforts in ensuring that I support the former president. That's all. And your benchmark of supporting the former president or being a qualified DDS is if you like the bangag, 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 ngiwi, 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 butod, butod, butod chant. My goodness. Is that how you try to measure someone's convictions or discernment? O ngayon, mabash na naman ito. Kasi sinasagot ko ng ano. You even go to a location, try to make yourself what? Be treated as a what? VIP? You didn't even bother to put it into yourselves that you are literally barging into a location just because of your supposed VIP status. You didn't even, ay nako guys. I don't want any fight. I don't want fight with anybody, no? Honestly. I just don't want to be involved in this pettiness. I want to only focus with former President Rodrigo Roa Duterte and how I can contribute as a Filipino to be part of a movement to advance the objective of ensuring that he's brought back to the Philippines. I am not paid to do this. I'm a free person. I shouldn't conform to whatever expectations other people have. Most especially if you cannot read properly or comprehend what's written by individuals. Don't, if you want to make me a content, okay. It's okay. Maybe that's my contribution for you to, earn money. Yun lang. Sakto, di ba? But as far as I'm concerned, I am just solely focused. Focused rin ko sa ako ang unwavering love and support ni former President Rodrigo Roa Duterte. Okay ra? Okay. Ano lang? All of the accusations, can you imagine? You accuse somebody because of a fucking lechon? My God. Sabi nga ni Menchi, do you want me to buy a lechon? Oh, because he can definitely do that. Yun naman ang totoo. Yun, ito, ang dami ko nang sinabi. Ang dami ng content na yun. I'm expecting already for people to, make content about that. Most especially the ones that actually are murmuring a lot on social media. Trying to pose a question. Questioning my personality, my being, and my cognitive ability. Yan ha, ang dami niyo ng content. Sige. Tuloy lang po sir. Yeah, of course. My strong and unwavering desire. I remain resolute in ensuring, seeing this through, that I will definitely support the former President Rodrigo Roa Duterte hanggang sa dulo. No amount of intrigues will prohibit me from doing the same. And also, why are people questioning me with respect to my loyalty? Because I don't like the bangag chant. Why? Is somebody not entitled to say no of something they don't believe in? Why would you force on someone something that you believe in? Tala, is it you're angry of dictatorship, but what you're doing is exactly what dictatorship looks like? How is that possible? Probably I'm just going to visit Tatay for Tatay Digong for quite a bit, and then probably I am looking more to the opportunity to interview Attorney Nick Kaufman to better inform people. And also, by the way, guys, I strongly reject the notion that there's a monopoly of vloggers trying to undermine other people. Uy, ginoko, nobody by all means, big or small, has prohibited anyone to cover whatever it is that's happening in The Hague, most particularly with the case of the former president. Nobody, literally zero. So don't try to make stories when it's definitely not reflective of the truth. Everyone, tanungin mo yan lahat ng vlogger, have I in any way prohibited anyone to cover anything? If the answer is in the negative, then tunla imong laway. Okay? Wala pa ka na humagyaw-yaw, basta hindi pa ka matug na punon niya, tama ng support lang ta. Wala mo nagyaw-yaw. Why am I not allowed to address something, an intrigue or whatnot? Of course I am. I haven't asked all of the bloggers. Did I ask somebody by any chance? Or is anyone put into a situation where they cannot do anything? Oh, really? That's why I always urge people to be beautiful, to have the light in your heart, because it reflects in your skin. Ganyan. Tatay Digong, yan naman na totoo. Ayaw ko nang may nagbida-bida. And you're telling me na nagbida-bida ko? When? Can you give me a certain moment na nagbida-bida ko diha? Is it bida-bida because I was asked to operationalize an idea? Why? Ask the principal. Why were you not asked to do that? Oh, you see? Ayaw ko ninyo pag don't try to accuse me of something or other people, especially those who have exerted a voluntary work out of the kindness of their heart. Don't malign us with all these intrigues and whatnot, Ginoo ko. We don't know you. You don't know us. We also don't know you. Why do we need to know you? Why do we need to know you? Kinsa ka? Para ino ka na mo. Did you bother to give us money to pay for our rent or for our food? No. So don't prohibit us from saying anything. Talaka. Yung may hadlok-hadlokon. Bakit ako mag-isaw-saw sa babaeng XXX? Laban niya yan. Meron na siyang laban na sarili niya. Bakit ako mag-isaw-saw? Pag ayaw mo, sir, wag kasi kayo mano. Yeah, exactly. Wala ko. Did I even bother telling people na sikat ko? I even asked them. Ask the people around Duterte Street. I even tell them, I don't understand. Why is it that people would follow me or would recognize me? Because I still consider myself as a normal person. And they are the ones always telling me, you're not normal anymore because this and that, blah, blah, blah. But to myself, I always still think na I'm just a Filipino. It's just that I am very resolute with my unwavering support and desire to show my love to the former president. That's why. And then you're angry if I'm going to say something which I find petty. Why would you say that? You're supposed to be better than that. You're saying na I am stifling your rights to say something about anything. Malayang pamamahayag. Did I even bar you from saying anything? You are not even the one that I'm referring to as petty, but you felt alluded. Mr. Someone. Oh. Can you see that? Do you think I cannot speak up because I am now what? Adlo ko sa imo. I'm not afraid of anyone, Ginoo ko. I'm only afraid of God and my parents. Ako ninyo labda And then now, pag tubagon mo, you felt alluded to. If your name is not mentioned, don't interfere because it's not about you. Don't be a narcissist and you think that the world revolves around you. Your time has already, I don't know, passed by, or I don't know. It's not always about you. I always remain resolute. It is about former President Rodrigo Roa Duterte. It's not about you. It's not always about you. It is never about you. It's about former President Rodrigo Roa Duterte. If you are not former President Rodrigo Roa Duterte, don't feel alluded. Okay? You felt alluded by the word petty? You did not even bother to check whether or not you were the one mentioned there? And you're supposed to be better than that. You are saying that you were, you had students who are very much highly qualified, and you did not even bother to verify. Was it really you? Did I name you? No, I didn't. Is it all about you all the time? Isn't that narcissist of a behavior over someone who was not even mentioned? And you want us to, you treat me as but because I'm a child, or probably I'm poor, or probably I am not in the same level or caliber as you, that I cannot speak up, and you're saying that it's about freedom of speech? What? You're only entitled to that, and we are not? Oh, diba? Don't, I came to Europe not asking for help from you or anybody else. So don't even try to impose on people what needs to be done. Because there's always a lot of ways to open a can of tuna. You are not the epitome of what needs to be done for someone to share or to show their unwavering love and support. And you even said, if you really value freedom of speech, ngakan mo ang Marcos. Why? Is that the only way to support former President Duterte? Now I wonder why you were not part of the legal team. Sakit? Maninood na ba kong istorya pag maglagot ko? Is it painful that you were not considered? Ay, lagi ko palagot ka. E di rin ikaw na ibatasan. Ako ibatasan. I only wanted to show to the world what's happening to The Hague. And now you're making it appear that I'm a Marcos supporter because of a fucking lechon? Wake the freaking up, ginoo ko. You said that you're up upon yourself. You are a staunch supporter of freedom of speech, and you want to stifle my freedom of speech? How dare you? Did I try to stifle your freedom of speech? Or anybody in that matter? Why don't you ask the principal? You felt alluded on something as a very simple word, petty. Did I say that you are petty? And you think I'm just going to shut my mouth up because you felt that you are very entitled to just destroy an image that I carefully and work hard with consistency to prove myself that I am worthy on why people are following me? Are you jealous of me? Because you are no longer holding power? You are in Europe. Power is irrelevant here. We have a very flat organization here. Huwag kang mag-ano ha. Huwag mo kaming takot-takutin dito. Kay, just because we're an ordinary citizen, you can just make takot us. Don't try to make it appear that you are the victim here. I tried cordially to speak to all of you for us to finish this. Tas ganyan, ako parang nangyari na iba na naman. Hindi pa kayo matigil. We just want to support former president. A lot of allegations na Marcos, binayaran, ganito, ganyan. Who are you for us to answer all of these allegations? Just stop. Aludel, respect is earned. Honestly, respect is never imposed. I respected people, especially those who are elder almost reaching, I really have high respect for that because I'm brought up to this world like that. You are, it's not always about these people. Bakit? Very narcissist talaga ang ano. Very narcissist na attitude. Why are you doing that? It's not all about you. Fight your own battles. Don't include us in whatever theatrics you're trying to have in your mind. Bakit? I'm not trying to it is also our right to fight back.